Top 5 ways to treat your employees better. Businesses often treat their employees poorly. This is why they often fail to retain their top talent and fail to be successful. Businesses think if they pay someone a lot of money, they will be happy, while often this will not be the case. They are often not given the recognition they deserve or are not being treated fairly by management. This can cause an employee to just want to stay where they are. They're afraid of losing the money they are being paid. Businesses need to be fair to their employees. If their employees are happy, the business will be successful. I once worked for a company where the leader thought their employees should feel grateful to be employed there. I even heard them half-jokingly say, "They should be paying us." Here are 5 ways you can make your workers happy. First, be clear about your expectations. Allowing your employees to know what you want from them helps in the long run. Second, listen to their ideas and try to include these ideas where you can. They also might have a better understanding of their job than you do. Third, be proud of your employees. Being proud of them shows them that you're appreciative of their efforts. 4, let them know that they are appreciated. Make sure to thank them as often as you can. And 5, be consistent with your employees. This means that you should treat each of them equally and with respect. If you would like to discuss how to find ways to keep employees satisfied, happy, motivated, and engaged, please get in touch with us at info@claritywave.com.